theme songs. Part 1, The Mean Cats by Feathertail Productions.
I am just a girl, one among the others, nothing much to say. Plain and simple girl, not a special type in any way. Just one look and you.
No, I can't take one more step towards you, 'cause all that's waiting is regret. Don't you know I'm not your ghost, and I still hear your voice when you sleep next to me. I still feel your touch in my dream. Forgive me my weakness, but I don't know why. Without you, it's hard to survive. You never enjoy your life, living inside the box. You're so afraid of taking chances. How you gonna reach the top? Rules and regulations force you to play it safe. Get rid of all the hesitation. It's time for you to seize the day, instead of just sitting around. I probably shouldn't say this, but at times I get so scared when I think about the previous relationship we shared. It was awesome, but we lost it. It's not possible for me not to care.
I remember what you wore on the first day. You came into my life and I thought, hey, you know, this could be something.